Checking for continuity between neutral and ground is crucial for electrical safety. The preferred method involves checking each neutral conductor individually for continuity to ground before connecting it to the neutral ground bar. This ensures no unintended connections exist before energizing the system. An alternative method exists where you can measure the resistance between neutral and ground at the panel using a voltmeter. If the reading is less than 0.1 ohms, it indicates a continuity issue. This method allows for checking the integrity of the neutral-ground bond without disconnecting individual conductors. However, the practice of an inspector disconnecting conductors raises several concerns. Firstly, safety hazard. Disconnecting live conductors can be hazardous if not done properly. Secondly, damage to conductors. Repeated disconnection can weaken conductors and damage terminals. Thirdly, inefficiency. It is unnecessary to disconnect all neutral conductors to check for continuity, especially with alternative methods available. Fourthly, false positives. If multiple neutral conductors are connected to a single terminal, disconnecting one may result in a false negative reading due to continuity through other conductors. The inspector's method of taking conductors loose raises several concerns, including firstly, safety. Disconnecting live conductors presents a significant risk. Secondly, conductor damage. Repeated loosening and tightening of connections can weaken the conductors themselves, especially at the termination points, and this can lead to future failures. Thirdly, inefficiency. Disconnecting all neutral conductors to check for continuity is time-consuming and may not be necessary if other methods are used. Fourthly, potential for false readings. Disconnecting conductors can sometimes lead to misinterpretations due to how circuits are wired or grounded. It is much more accurate to test each neutral individually before connecting it to the neutral ground bar. This prevents false readings. Remember, checking for continuity between neutral and ground is an important safety measure to prevent electrical hazards.